Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Back up your files to an external drive or cloud before you reset your PC. This precaution prevents data loss and gives you a restore point. Plug your laptop into power and ensure at least 50% battery before starting. Close apps and save work to avoid corrupted files. Note any unique software keys and copy them to a safe place. Know your Microsoft account email and password to sign back in after reset. Open Settings, choose System, then Recovery to access Reset This PC options. Click Reset This PC and then choose an option to begin the process. Choose Keep My Files versus Remove Everything based on how clean you want the drive. Next, pick Cloud Download or Local Reinstall for your reinstall method. Cloud Download uses about 4 GB and requires internet access. Confirm and start the reset. The laptop will expect the reset to take about 30-60 minutes, depending on drive speed and options chosen. Do not interrupt the process once it begins, or you risk system corruption. After the reset, complete sign in with your Microsoft account and reconnect Wi-Fi. Check for Windows updates and install them before adding apps back. Reinstall your essential apps and restore files from your backup drive or cloud. Verify BitLocker is enabled if needed and update device drivers for best performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.